let's talk about what a typical CBTG customer looks like a little bit. I've talked a bit, so I'm going to ask you to answer this question. What do you see? Who are you selling to? Who are you calling? Where have we had success?
Well, actually being in the state of Connecticut, right between New York and Boston, there's much more manufacturing in this state than most people would even know. So we actually deal with a lot of aerospace manufacturers. That seems to be a industry that just happens to have a lot of companies in the area that need our type of support, and it's worked really well. We have a seasoned team of techs that are able to accommodate that, and we also have the knowledge to deal with things like NIST and CMMC and make sure that we cover all those requirements. Now the interesting part is we've actually have a wide range of different clients. And this can range anywhere from companies that make beer all the way up to the companies that make parts so airplanes can fly, and everything in between. So it's really been it's great to work with all the different types of all those different types of industries, and know that what we provide does have a benefit to each one.
Yeah, that's a good answer. I appreciate that. I would expand on that even just to say, through the multiple industries, they all have a lot in common. Right? If you're on a computer network, you're often bound by the same levels of compliance and the same cybersecurity concerns, no matter what your product is. We're in healthcare, we're in insurance, we're in entertainment, we're in professional services, but really we don't differentiate too much on the way we provide service or the way we architect a network based on those products. If anything, we'll build out every architecture and every solution to a base level of at least NIST or potentially CMMC if they are, in the supply chain for any government work. And it really doesn't matter what their product is or what their service is. We're going to build our networks based on that layer of compliance because it's cover your butt, really. It doesn't matter what you're producing. It matters how you're securing things and what you're allowing on the network. So when we do architect these solutions, we do focus on the way we want it done, the way we know that it works. Stable architecture, A-tier products, hardware and services. We're not, we're selling Cisco, we're selling Dell, we're selling HP. We're not, selling the B-tier products. Maybe you pay a little more upfront for these things, but they last longer. The R&D is there, the cyber is there, and these companies aren't getting eaten up and bought and sold so that you saved 10 points 5 years ago, right? So we're doing things the right way, no matter who our client is. And that makes it, the confidence that we don't have a client that has holes, because we've done it the right way from the beginning. That's a big piece of it. A secondary, good part of that is it's easier for our team to support, right? So, we have a team of 15 employees here, and we have a large client base in Connecticut. We've been doing this a long time. We're entering year 17 now, so you can imagine there's a decent backlog of client base there, and they all are somewhat put together the same way from an architecture standpoint, which makes our team more efficient when it comes to supporting an emergency, when it comes to supporting any event that happens, when it comes to talking about life cycles of equipment, when it comes to talking about what layers of hardware and software play nice together and what doesn't. We've done this a lot of times in the past, so we're not looking for anyone to be a guinea pig for us. We're looking to have tried and true, stable architecture, stable service, things like that.